TRANE has been really focused on deploying IoT 4.0 technologies in our plant, especially around the predictive maintenance, to try to really focus on uptime of our equipment, our assets in our plant, so we can detect a problem before it becomes a problem. And this project was a big part of that.
TRANE Technologies always had the vision of achieving zero downtime manufacturing by using tools like Industry 4.0 and predictive maintenance. We collaborated with TRANE Technologies to implement predictive maintenance technologies in the Columbia, South Carolina plant. The
reason why we chose IoTco that was introduced to us through SCRA was this concept we call time to value. The return on the investment and how much time it takes to return on that investment is really, really important. And so when we looked at this and the fact that IoTco had solutions that were already prepackaged for the equipment that we had in our facility, that was a big part of the selection process.
It starts out by understanding the assets, collecting data from the assets, sensorizing the assets in some cases using, for example, vibration sensing, and then going into the analytics layer, analyzing the data using machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to convert all that raw data into meaningful and predictive metrics for the maintenance organizations. So machine learning are mathematical algorithms that can read data and then train a model that can understand what is the baseline of my machine, like a fingerprint of your machine. This is my machine condition today, and this is how the machine is performing over time. So by having health, prediction, and diagnostics, the maintenance organization are able to act before the machine failing and to schedule maintenance and to schedule spare parts in an appropriate fashion and achieve a very quick return on investment for the organization.
We have all these indicators now that can help us tell us that we got a problem before it becomes a problem, and it really fits what our strategy is around Factory of the Future.
Scalability was one of the key metrics of success. So our vision with TRANE Technologies was to implement a library of templates, and those templates can scale across the Columbia plant in addition to other plants within the commercial and residential sector. So this extremely accelerates adoption and extremely accelerates the rollout of the solution across additional plants.
The relationship with SCRA really what drove this project from the start. By opening up the grant for us in order to bring a new technology and to help us really accelerate our thinking that this project could actually be done.
Thanks to the collaboration with SCRA, we were able to co-sponsor the project with TRANE Technologies. They were a catalyst to bring us in as an emerging technology to the state of South Carolina and to introduce us to TRANE Technologies.
Timing was perfect. The work here with SCRA at the center really helped to move the needle with, hey, this can become reality. We can really get this proof of concept conducted in a way that can really give us the return on the investment as well as the scalability content that we were looking for.